Hi students, let's see the derivation for the focal length of the spherical mirrors or the relationship between F and R. Now here we can see the two diagrams which is of concave spherical mirror and convex spherical mirror. In both I is the incident ray and R is the reflected ray, and N is taken as a normal one, normal to the surface, and the distance between the capital F and the D, or D is very close to P, we can say D or P. So the distance between the F and D is taken as the focal length small f, and the radius of the spherical mirror is R, which is the distance between the center C and the pole P. So the distance between the center and the pole is taken as the R, and the distance between the F and D is taken as a small f. Here we are going to derive what is the relationship between the F, which is focal length, and the radius of the sphere, which is R. So all the values we need to mark in both the diagrams like C, F, D, incident ray, reflected ray, normal, and theta is the angle. Let's consider the triangle. First we'll consider about the concave mirror. The same thing is for convex mirror also. So take the triangle in the concave spherical mirror. Here I am taking a values, triangle values C, M, P. First let us consider the triangle MCD, or approximately MCP. Then tan theta is equivalent to MD divided by CD. Next, consider the another triangle which is MFD, that is MFP. Then tan 2 theta, as theta is the two inner angles of the triangle, the outer angle is equivalent to double of the, adding both the values, that is 2 theta. Theta plus theta, the outer angle is 2 theta. So tan 2 theta is equivalent to MD divided by FD. For the small angle of theta, the tan theta is approximately equivalent to theta, and tan 2 theta equivalent to approximately the 2 theta value. Whatever may be the angle, if it is very small, then tan of that particular angle can be equated to the angle alone. So tan 2 theta is equivalent to MD divided by FD. Substitute the value. Take approximately 2D is equivalent to MD divided by FD. And we know MD will get cancelled in both the sides. So we'll get FD is equivalent to CD divided by 2. Or we can write FP is equivalent to CP divided by 2. Then substitute the value of FP, that is R, and CP equivalent to R by 2. So R is equivalent to 2F.